Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, Anthony and I are going to show you guys how Reddit is such an extremely slept on platform, how you can use it to do customer research, why you should ASAP for your dropshipping store, for your brand, etc. Why you should. Here we go. Alright guys, what is going on? It's your boy Corey here again from Ecom Street. If it's your first time here, make sure you're subscribed. There's a lot of value every single one of our videos, every Tuesday, every Friday. But without further ado, let's jump right into why Reddit is so huge and so powerful. Let's go. Alright guys, so now that we're in my computer, like always, we always have this Google Doc here is explaining briefly why you should do what we're saying. And so this one's titled Why Reddit. And essentially, number one, this huge main bullet point here is you have to get inside of your customers' minds. And all I mean by that is that chances are, if you're a dropshipper, you're in an extremely broad niche like beauty, pets, what do we have here, clothing, home, etc. And if you're in one of those huge niches, there's no reason at all how you should not be able to, there should be no struggle finding subreddits or just Reddits or whatever you want to call them, to hear what potential customers are saying about what they're currently buying and how you can find gaps in the market. So literally, for example, let's just say you sell home stuff, you're a dropshipper in the home niche. There's no reason at all how you can't find a home decor kind of subreddit, hop in there and just see what people are saying about what they're currently buying. It's not so much a thing where you want to be in there promoting, you don't really want to drop links too much, because as you even see in this document, if you really feel the need to and believe in your products, you can link stuff now and then, but chances are the mods or admins in there are probably going to block it. It depends on the situation really, but you're more in there just to be all ears or eyes because you're reading. You just listen to what people are saying and you'll just find out what the gaps are with what people are currently buying and how you can improve that into your product description and copy. Anthony's going to elaborate on that. But yeah, literally as a bottom line here, point number one of why you should use Reddit ASAP, we're going to show you how to use it as we keep going on, but you should use it number one to get inside of your customers' minds.
What's up guys? Anthony here, welcome back. I'm just going to be covering basically what Corey said, but just going a little bit more depth in what he was talking about. So basically I'm just going to answer how whatever he mentioned before, how you can implement those strategies or implement those uses into your own business. I'm just going to go back into the doc sheet here. And the number one thing that we actually notice on Reddit is that people are constantly complaining about prices and quality and what they wish they would have got with their brand when they ordered. So there's lots of things that you can unveil when you go on Reddit. And one of the main things you see, like we talked about here, is price. So this is a great way you can do product research and competitor research, because if you see different prices, what people are offering, you can kind of get an overall idea of what people are selling in the market, what kind of prices to compare at, and so on. You can even talk about, you can even find their quality. And if someone said something like, oh, the quality that I received from my product it's garbage, or it's not good, you can come back at them. You can even comment and say, well, we offer better quality. If that's even true, you got to make sure what you're saying is actually backed up with real information. You can't just say that. You can say, yeah, our stuff is better made, come check us out, we have better shipping, or whatever. You can kind of counteract what they've gone in the past and say, well, this is better, we offer a better deal than what company you bought from. And another thing too, guys, as well, what people are talking about in these subreddits are very important to your copy as well. So you can kind of diagnose the main problem people are having. Like I said, again, it could be price, quality, whatever is the current topic of problem on the subreddit, and you can kind of do an average of what people are complaining about the most, and you can find the solution to that problem, whether it be the price, the quality, anything that has an issue with their brand that you've ordered in the past. By all means, you can figure that out and you can implement it into your copy. So if someone's saying, oh, the shipping is terrible that I ordered from, it's absolutely ridiculous, then you could say in your copy, well, our shipping is better, or whatever the case is. You can say we have the best shipping available in this niche. So if you're in a skincare brand, whatever, and you notice that a lot of the people in the skincare Reddit are saying every company I've ordered from skincare products, their shipping is terrible. Well, here's your chance to find a better supplier, a better whatever you're working with, a third party, a supplier or private label, whatever, and you can say we have better shipping. And another thing with skincare too, guys, if someone mentions something bad about the product, saying, let's just use an example, it's like an acne cream, they say, oh, this cream gave me like a rash when I was using it, then here's your perfect opportunity to actually come back at them, and you can say, well, our skincare cream did this, or our skincare cream doesn't do that, and you can show them like a bunch of reviews from your website. So guys, really quick here, I'm going to dive into Reddit just so you know kind of how to use it. So right at the bat here, you have this search button, and you can essentially search for anything. So if you're selling a skincare product, we already mentioned some here. You can see home gym, fitness, massage gun, all that stuff here. You can search it, and you can see what people are posting about. So someone literally posted this saying, I found these at Costco, normally 28, but on sale for 20. I bought 5 for myself. So you can see what people were commenting on here, and you can see, I'm a big fan of cleaning oils. They work well. Same, I've used whatever, what is this, grapeseed oil? Yeah, all this stuff here. So you can get an idea of what's selling, guys, really. Like, it's honestly a really, really hidden way to do product research, especially if there's something that's new and trending on social media. You can get a lot of insight of what people think about it, and even if it's worth selling too. Because what may look like a good product to some people, like selling on Facebook, may not be an actual good product in general, you can see what people have said about it. You can see what the experience has been, the user experience for them, if it's even worth selling, because someone may even show their brand themselves and say, oh, I got a lot of chargebacks for this, I got a lot of returns for this, etc. And then over here too, I believe it was the fishing. There's a lot of stuff here, like even like blog related posts here, like look, my comprehensive guide, tips to new fishermen. You see this guy literally posted all this stuff here about fishing. And if you were a brand that had your own subreddit, then you could make your own little blogs and then literally comment your products at the bottom here and show it off and just say, oh yeah, this is what I'm selling, no problem, here's your link and take it. Anyways, guys, there's a little bit of that about Reddit. Consumer research is one of the biggest things in e-commerce, and really understanding your market. And a lot of people don't talk about this. They just go into AliExpress or they go into whatever random websites and they think they're doing product research, but meanwhile, there's actually a lot that you're missing out on. There's other outlets you can go to. And it's good to get an overall perspective of what other people are saying, not just from one platform, but multiple platforms. So if you guys can implement this into your own business, that'd be really, really helpful for you guys, just so you understand some hidden things that people aren't actually seeing. You can kind of counteract and do something even better than what your competitors are doing. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like. It's going to help the YouTube algorithm bump us up so we can get more views. And we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.